Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 3T10 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, and unfortunately I will not be able to turn the screen, so let me turn whole device. And here, in order to enter the reset settings, we do not have to switch the modes because the reset settings option will appear in the kind of general settings. What's more, just take a look at the grid lines. I hope that you can see them. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So all we have to do right now is to simply enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner right now. And now let's scroll down to the very bottom. I hope that you can see that at the very bottom we've got this reset option. So let's tap on it, and here your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because it will simply set all factory default settings. So just tap on reset if you are ready, and as you can see we just immediately got back to the camera, and we've got actually the evidence. The grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. So basically that's all. This is how to reset the camera into the defaults in your Alcatel 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.